Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the maintenance mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on device care. Now after opening the device care, scroll down and click on maintenance mode. Now to enter the maintenance mode, tap on turn on and then it will show you a pop-up which says your phone needs to restart to turn on the maintenance mode. And here it shows more information about the maintenance mode. So tap on restart to enter the maintenance mode. And now it's creating a log. This normally takes around 2 minutes. So after the log is created, your phone will restart in maintenance mode and you can safely hand over your phone for the maintenance. So wait for the log. Now after creating the log, your phone will automatically start restarting. Now the phone is in maintenance mode, so you can see the maintenance mode is written on the bottom left corner. So now everything is hidden, like your pictures, your contacts, and every personal information is hidden. So now you can hand over your phone for the maintenance. And after maintaining your phone, to exit the maintenance mode, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here again tap on device care. Now in device care, scroll down to the end and click on maintenance mode. Now tap on exit and then tap on restart. Now you have to verify your identity to exit the maintenance mode. So enter the password to restart and exit the maintenance mode. Now your phone will restart, and this time it will restart in the normal phone mode. So that's how you can use or enter or exit the maintenance mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.